current moment, the completion of the pavilion itself is at 92%. And thank you to the team that we have, the architects, the consultants, the contractors. We are geared up to complete it by May of 2021. We are so excited about it, and we are very sure that we can actually meet the target. When the pandemic hit us hard, we have to mitigate, find solutions to ensure that the completion actually meets our initial projection. And with constant brainstorming and discussion with from all parties, from the Malaysian Pavilion team, we managed to put on a certain timeline to deliver it. Even though the Expo is supposed to be completed to be this year, right? But then again, it gives us a better sort of time to ensure perfection is to be add on, and also to showcase what Malaysia can offer come October this year. We hope what we can actually show here at the pavilion is a model, a sustainability model that other countries can follow suit. We have gone through a lot of experience, and the government are so much into it. We are introducing a lot of sustainability programs, especially on the environment. So we hope that other countries, when they come and visit, they can actually be excited about it as we are, and take the model that we are showcasing as a start for them to do the initiative at their country.